Today we are going to look at installing Zonos Hello on our Shopify website. A few resources you'll want to have open. You'll want to make sure you're logged into Dashboard at dashboard.zonos.com. You will also want to open our documentation at docs.zonos.com. You'll want to make sure you have your front end of your Shopify website pulled up. And you'll want to make sure that you're logged into the admin. So first thing we're going to do is inside of our dashboard, we're going to open the Hello settings over here on the left-hand side. A few things to note here. You'll have your Zonos Hello script and your site key, which is inside the script. We're going to have our allowed domains. We're going to have our countries that we can enable and disable. We're going to have our ship from location and the appearance settings. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to copy our Hello script, the whole thing. Then once we're logged into our admin, we're going to go to Online Store. We're going to edit our current live theme. So down to Actions and Edit Code. And the only file that we're really going to need to update here in order to get this working is our theme.liquid file. The reason that we use the theme.liquid file is this page loads on every single page in Shopify. I've seen multiple times in the past that customers will try to add this code specifically to product pages or the cart page, but the issue that we run into there sometimes is the Hello script has not loaded fully before some of the other code for the duty and tax quotes that we're going to look at here in a minute. So the best way to combat this is just to put everything in one file so it loads in the correct order. So here in the theme.liquid, we're going to find our closing body tag. And just to keep our spacing pretty, we're going to come in here and we're going to add our Hello script. So go ahead and hit save there. And to test it, to make sure that it's working, we're going to come to our front end, do a hard refresh. And here we can see that we have Zonos Hello pulled up. Now, one thing to keep in mind is if you've never opened Zonos Hello on your website, it is going to default to your current country. So we look at IP addresses and we set the country automatically based on IP and based off of browser settings. And one thing you'll notice is Hello is kind of half hidden down there. The reason for that is because United States is our current domestic country. And if you ever want to double check that, inside of our Hello settings here in Dashboard, down at the bottom, we have our ship from location, and you can see that ours is currently set to United States. So that is our domestic country. And it's half hidden just to kind of stay out of the way of domestic users, but once this is switched to an international country, and we'll use Canada for our example, you can see that it pops up. It says we're shipping from United States to Canada, and it's got some basic information about de minimis values, how much you can spend before you're going to incur any duty and tax. So now we know that Hello is up and running and working. So the next step is we're going to enable our duty and tax quotes. So here's where the documentation comes in. We're going to go over here on the side to Hello, and we're going to scroll down just a little ways to the Getting Started section, and we're installing on Shopify. So go ahead and open those Shopify directions here. And then we're going to scroll down. This just shows you how to sign up for Hello if you have not done that yet. We're going to scroll down to this adding a duty and tax quote code. So we're going to copy this whole thing here. Make sure to include both of those script tags. And we're going to come back to our theme.liquid file in the admin. And again, to keep our spacing pretty, we're going to add that right underneath our Zonos Hello script. Now this has one thing that needs to be adjusted. We're going to change the 2 ampersand signs to the word and. And now that that's all in place, we're going to hit save. And let's go test it to make sure that it's working the way we want. So now that we have our international country selected, we're going to go to catalog and we're going to look at our products. So let's take a look at this moose statue here. And you can see that there goes our duty and tax quote. And we can open Zonos Hello and see a little bit more information. This is our price in Canadian dollars. And you can see that it is above the de minimis value, so we are going to see our quote here. So the next thing we want to double check is the cart page itself. So let's add another one of these to our cart. And there's our duty and tax quote, this time for 51 Canadian dollars because we have 2 of that product in our shopping cart. You can click here and see that we're going to incur GST and duty taxes. And that is about it for Zonos Hello. Now, one thing to keep in mind, if you don't like the location of Hello here on the bottom left, we can open our dashboard settings and we can move that around if we so choose. So let's hit top left, hit save, and let's take a look. Give it a hard refresh. And one thing to keep in mind, if you do make changes, it does cache per country. So we're going to go ahead and switch our country to, let's say, United Kingdom. And there we have it moved up to the top left. Now it's a little bit in the way of our store name here, but just to show you that those options are available. And now we have Hello up in the top corner. If you want to disable a few more countries or enable more countries, let's show you what that looks like here. So let's turn off Canada. And let's go ahead and turn off Denmark. So now, if we pull this up and let's switch Hello here to Denmark. It does show the message that we do not currently ship to this country. And it will not provide any duty and tax quotes when the country is disabled. So let's go back to our UK here. And that should be about it for Zonos Hello. The install is pretty straightforward, pretty simple. One more thing to note, it doesn't really matter if you put this code above the closing body tag. You can put it in the header if you prefer. You just need to make sure that it does load in this order with our Hello script and then our duty and tax quote code. And that should be about it. There are some additional things that you can do with Zonos Hello. We won't be covering those today, but feel free to read the docs. And thanks for listening.